Everyone, welcome back on Nested Mango. I am Ram Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber, and blogger. One question on my one video, that is how to become a Metaverse developer. So I decided to give answer on it, and I searched on the Google as well as on the YouTube, but I did not get a proper answer. So I think being a Metaverse engineer, I should reply so that people can understand, people can start working on their skills. So let's start the today video. If you're new on the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. If you want to ask me anything, so let me know in the comment box. Singh from India. I'm working as a Unity developer from last 6 years. In starting 3 years, I was working on the games like 2D, 3Ds, multiplayer games. After 3 years, I started working on Unity VR developer. I created applications for Meta devices like Meta Quest 2, and currently I'm working on the Meta Quest 3 also. First, you should understand what is the Metaverse. Basically, Metaverse we also called Web 3. Basically, it is a virtual world where we create environment, where we create 3D environment, where we start placing communication between the peoples, where start placing a market where people can buy and sell the things, and people also started mentioning the cryptocurrency, but currently it is not that much, but yeah, in the future maybe it involves. In the definition of the metaverse, people there are so many definition, means there is not an exact word, but yes, there is one meeting held between the developers, and most of developers was let me share with you so that you can get idea that what is the metaverse. 54% developer was saying that combination of multiple elements of technology line AR, VR and video where user live in the virtual world. 54% developer is saying, and this is the US game developer metaverse description. It happens in 2021, and 42% is saying that it shared 3D virtual space on a virtual universe, and just 32% is saying the next version of global internet. So this is the definition of metaverse. It is not necessary to create a world in virtual reality that should be a metaverse, but you can create application in the web development. You can just give the functionality of multiplayer as well as people can communicate with each other. But the thing is, virtual reality make a different is like you can feel immersive. How? Let's suppose you are playing on the web or mobile application, so you will be not immersive that much. You have some controllers and one player is just engaging behalf of you. But in the virtual reality, what happens that you just wear the headset like Meta Quest 3 and you have controllers. You are just immersed in the environment, like I am currently immersed in my room, so similarly you immerse. So that's why virtual reality is most familiar, because you get much more immersion as compared to web development in the virtual reality. Virtual reality mainly means there are so many developers involved, so I'm just going to explain to you one by one. And it is not metaverse is not just only combination of developer, it is combination of artists as well. But in this video I'm just clarifying you that what is the metaverse developer, what is the metaverse engineer, and what are their roles. Creating 3D environment, Unity and Unreal is a very famous game engine, and Unity and Unreal are two main that involves in game development as well as virtual reality application as well as mixed reality. In the few years back, virtual reality was very popular in terms of metaverse, but people were just getting involved in the virtual reality, but people start thinking about that if we just combine both augmented reality as well as virtual reality. If you are beginner, you are not able to understand what is the virtual reality, what is the augmented reality, what is the mixed reality, so let me know in the comment box. I will just clear you in next video. Just try to integrate mixed reality. Mixed reality is just that we are showing you virtual reality as well as augmented reality. Virtual reality is like just we are not able to see anything, just only the virtual, and augmented reality is just whenever we are opening our camera, we are able to play any 3D object or play any effect in the real environment. That is the augmented reality. And if we are combining both augmented reality as well as virtual reality, so that become the mixed reality. And in normal terms we are just calling them pass through. Pass through means we are just here wearing the headset and we just open the camera, we are able to see the environment and we are placing the objects, so that is the mixed reality. There is a big comparison between the Unity and Unreal. I am a Unity developer, so I always favor the Unity, and it is day by day becoming a very popular in the game development. In their tools they are always trying to improve, so there is not one parameter that we can differentiate, but I will say that Unity community is very big as compared to Unreal. So if you are a beginner, if you want to quick development, so you should consider the Unity, because Unity is the best game engine. In terms of graphics, people always support the Unreal, so Unreal is a great. So in Unity you have to learn C#, so multiple SDK they provide, and for the movement, for the smaller thing, you have to not write code, it is component based. But if there is any specific you want to customize according to you, so you have to just write the code. Like you want to physics simulation, you want to just perform a specific task, like just like if we are going on in some particular area, so there should be some action, some effects, so at that time you have to write some code. So mainly if people are creating 3D things, so in Unity or in Unreal you're just creating them to just deploy on the devices like Quest 2, Quest 3, Rift, HTC Vive, Apple Vision Pro. So there you can deploy. Okay, the main part of metaverse, like you have to one main engineer, that is the creating environment and making simulation, all the things. So you have to choose from Unity and Unreal. In if you're going in Unity you have to learn C#, if you are going in Unreal you have to learn C++. And in Unity you should know, you should be experienced in the multiplayer development, as well as few SDK like voice SDK, so that people can communicate with each other. You should be expert in animation integration, you should be expert in ML model integration. So these are the topics you have to learn. Just that Unity developer can create the metaverse, so it is a combination of multiple developer. So this is the main development form, and behind the scene backend developer play a very important role, so that we can play the socket inside the our game engine on the application. So behind the application there is a backend developer who just support our application to retrieve the data, to provide the data, to just manage the transaction between the application. So backend developer play a very important role. And after that we need a ML developer, so that we can create a means not always necessary, but if you want to perform some particular task like a bot integration, there are also multiple SDK they provide the bot.
Unity game developer. I create games using Unity, and I also teach Unity game development on my YouTube channel, Nested Mango.
You know about India?
Yes, I know quite a bit about India. In fact, I had the pleasure of visiting there during my travels. It's a beautiful country with a rich culture and history.
As you can see, it's really very awesome. AI better for our game or metaverse. But if you want to perform your custom task, like action trigger, like let's suppose a dog is going there, so I'm just calling please come. So this is the trigger and dog is coming back to me. So this is the performed through the ML, and Meta is also working on this. We want to create something different that cannot be done by using only the Unity. So at that time we need a ML engineer, so that he can just train some model, and that thing we can integrate in our Unity. Okay, of Metaverse Engineer is the blockchain developer. So if you want to perform any transaction using the cryptocurrency, so you need a blockchain developer. They will manage your cryptocurrency transaction. And if you want to perform, so you may create your full cycle of blockchain. And if you don't want to just hire blockchain developer. So at that time, people use the third party SDK provided by multiple companies, so you can use that. So blockchain developer is also part of Metaverse Engineer, so that is you can consider. Mainly if you want to become the metaverse developer, so these are the parts. So you have to choose that which developer you want to go. And if you want to learn Unity, because I am the Unity developer in the metaverse, so basically you can just go on the YouTube, you can search, and there are so many tutorials you can learn from there. And I also teach, so you can just follow me on my YouTube channel so that you can learn. And if you want to explore much more specific topic without the advertisement, so at that time you have to go on the Udemy. There are so many tutorials on virtual reality, so you can explore and you can learn. And people ask me that in virtual reality we really need the coding. So my reply is yes, you need coding, because few basic system they provide in the SDK, but if you want to some specific task, so you have to use your coding in the, because there is not only virtual reality, there is a combination of multiplayer as well as physics simulation, as well as some other specific task. So at that time you need coding. So this is my tutorial. If you want to ask me anything, if I leave anything, so let me know in the comment box. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video, and in coming videos I will just start tutorials on creating the virtual reality application using the Unity, so you can learn with me. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.